Just thought I'd do another quick video, show you how you can get paid to listen to music. So 18 music tokens times by 0.087 US dollars, $1.56. Do that over 365 days. That's $571 for simply listening to music. This is all thanks to Gala Music. There's a link in the description if you want to sign up. It's completely free to do. Load some crypto into your own personal wallet. That's your money to keep. You need some Gala Ethereum, you need some music Ethereum to do that. But once you've done that, you can come in here and you can choose your songs, you can create a playlist and so on, and you can play music and listen. If we just have a look at the current charts, let me just give you a quick example on this. Number one in the charts is Chaos by Epic Fail at the moment, and we can see that yesterday those who were listening to that track and had it paired on their jukebox earned $3.90. If you only simply listen to the track, then you will earn points for each track that you listen to. But if you actually own that track, like I said, and you pair it with a jukebox, then you can earn $3.90 if that's your own jukebox. If it's someone else's jukebox, they will earn 50% of that. You will earn 50% if you own the track. If you just listen to it, you'll get 1 point for listening to that track. And if you listen to 10 tracks, you'll get 10 points, and so on. If we have a quick look here, so I've listened to 35 tracks today. So I have at least 1,000 music Ethereum in my balance. That means I'll get 2 points. So click on claim now, and we'll see those have both gone pink. So I've got 2 points. And essentially what they do is at the end of the day, they add up all the points from all the listens and then divide that by the total number of music tokens they're giving out. And at the moment, for 20 track listens, 2 points, you'll make, it's in the region of 9 music tokens per point, so 18 music tokens. Current music token price, let's go and have a quick look. So we go over to coinmarketcap.com, we look for music, and it's Gala Music, and we can see the current Gala Music price is 8.7 cents per music token. So if you get 18 music tokens, let's have a quick look. So just for listening to 20 tracks, doing nothing else, not having to pay anything, so 18 music tokens times by 0.087 US dollars, $1.56. Do that over 365 days. That's $571 for simply listening to music. So like I said, just sign up for Gala Music completely free, link in the description. That will take you through. You can get yourself registered. You'll pick up the ideas and things within Gala Music. If you buy a node, that's what's called a jukebox, so that hosts the music tracks. You can see here my total rewards, 64,000 music tokens. Yesterday I earned 70 music tokens for my tracks, my jukebox, and for listening. So there's some pretty handsome rewards to be had here. And yeah, let me know if you've got any questions in the chat below. Do subscribe if you're wanting for more videos just like this. But this is a completely free way of making money by simply listening to music. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching.